Hi, this is Tim, and Amber is not here right now. But I had a few minutes, and I was going to try to solve this one problem we have. Like a lot of old houses, as things have changed over time, we have this light switch that is on the wrong side of the door. So when you open the door, you can't get to the light. So you're constantly opening the door, doing this. But with the way this particular wall is built, it's not easy for me to move this light switch to the other side. So I picked up this Skylink Home. It's an SK8, and I'm going to take a few moments to try it out. So I've already killed the power to this outlet. So it looks like this is pretty self-explanatory. It comes with a receiver that has a black wire for the load, a red wire for the power, and a green wire for ground in this antenna. And then it has this battery-powered switch that will mount on the other side with double-sided tape. And one thing I feel like I misstated earlier is I think I said that the red was the line and the black was the load. It's the opposite. Black is the line and the red is the load. So the black, in other words, goes to your circuit breaker panel and the red goes to your light. If you're like a lot of old houses, there's been sheetrock added and these short little screws don't work. You can go to your local hardware store. They're a 632 screw. Grab you some longer ones. That way it's not sitting there loose. So the power's back on and I have two blue lights, which I assume is a good thing. And the batteries are installed in this, so the moment of truth. Ooh, that works pretty cool.